an angle?
Got it.
What
Okay.
is an angle?
So only different types of angles. Only
Yeah, no. Before we get to the types, we'll get to the types here. Like I fell out about it. Angle ke eng?
Okay, angle. Yes, sir.
It happened.
Yes, it has.
All right. An angle is a space between any intersecting lines, right? I just want to demonstrate that to you. But you know, my computer is very slow. So I don't know if it will go here. But when you have like two straight lines where they cut each other, that space that you have between them, that is an angle. What do we measure an angle in? What is the unit? Do we measure them in meters? Do you measure them in centimeters and millimeters?
Degrees, you say?
Degrees. Degrees kapa degrees Celsius?
Degrees Celsius.
No, that's temperature.
Get degrees, you say?
Degrees fela ngeke.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I need to check if you are awake. What instrument do we use to measure an angle?
Instrument.
I
say I'm lost.
Okay, let's go here. Mo kite karabo ke the space between any what? Any intersecting lines, right? So let's do intersecting lines. I wanted to do with here we are. There's a line. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then here is a line. Let's put there. Right. So this space here. Then oh my goodness. Okay, let me do this. This space here is an angle. Oh my goodness. You see what happens when you try and improvise?
Yes, sir.
Improvise. Instead of improvise, I want to scribble. This space here is an angle. Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
You see this line, and then you have the space here that is an angle. I wanted to use that other stuff that we were using, but in any case, we will try and use this one. I want to welcome Selwan and Sabina. How are you? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me just open my drawer so I can show you that a little bit easier, because this other one that we are using just does not really work for me. Patience. You need to buy me a new computer, but my computer is very slow.
Mase.
Wait, no.
No.
Wait, no.
Sa computer keep time. Se tlamehile re ntshe donation.
Donation.
Computer.
Donation. Computer is very slow. Let me share screen with you now so we can.
So ka nna ntsha tšhelete mono.
Okay.
50 I'll give.
Hey, 1,000 and over 50. So here's a line.
Sir?
About 1,000.
Yes, sir.
Here's a line. Let me see if I use a straight line like this one. Let's see. Trying to be like an. All right. Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they interact here. Then where do we get an angle? We get an angle somewhere here.
Yes, sir.
So that is the space between two what? intersecting lines. They are intersecting, they cross each other. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let's go back then to the definition. The definition here we have a definition as the space. You must write the start. They might ask it or they might not, but it's very important for you to know. Right. So what is a unit of angle? We said degrees.
Degrees.
Degrees, not degrees Celsius. Degrees Celsius, okay. Okay, in degrees Celsius.
Temperature.
Right. I want us to put in symbols.
Symbols.
Hey, I want to show you the degree, more symbols. So it's a small, so difficult to do these things these days, man. I want to show you a symbol for degrees. It's that small O at the top. Okay.
Yes, it has a small O.
This one. So this is degrees. So let's say, for example, you will have 45 degrees like this. So that's your so degrees. What instrument? Protractor. We use a protractor. Do you know what a protractor?
Oh, protractor.
Yeah. Do you know what it
Yes, sir.
For sure.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Let's go.
Sir, just show na sir.
Can it?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. So elevate.
Sir. Run na sir.
I want to show you now what the protractor looks like. Protractor.
Seke half circle, in circle mari.
Real.
Okay.
Like it is.
Sir?
Like this.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Like that. All right. Okay, we're running out of time now. Let's head it. So we now have 6 types of angles. Can you name them?
Right angle.
Right angle.
Acute.
Okay, let's do this. Right angle equals to how many degrees?
90 degrees.
90 degrees Celsius. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not 90 degrees Celsius, just 90 degrees. Acute, you pronounce it acute, not acute. Acute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do like it is. How big is an acute?
Bigger than a 90 degrees.
No. Smaller than
90 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, it's between 0 and 90. Basically, you see, that's where the B was. When you saw the B and you thought, bigger.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay.
Then we have another one, the 6 obtuse. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's do this. Obtuse. How big is an obtuse on an angle?
Bigger.
It's bigger.
Then
Yeah, bigger than 90 degrees.
Yeah, yes,
bigger than 90
degrees.
But smaller than
8.
Let's be smaller than 1/8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Let's demonstrate that on the draw on our chalkboard. Right. So an acute angle is okay. Let's do straight lines. So here's a straight line here. And here's a straight line here. Right. So any angle that you have here, like this is a 90 degree. And a little box, so it's a right angle, or maybe am I showing you? So show you the right.
Say.
You're not seeing it now. You're seeing it. Sorry. Yeah. So this is a straight line, and then this is a line that's intersecting it. If it has a box like this, it means it's a right angle. It's 90 degrees.
Right angle.
Right angle, 90 degrees. Now, any angle within this space, it's smaller than 90 degrees. Okay, smaller than this, but it's bigger than zero. What is it called?
Obtuse.
Acute. Okay, let me do. Oh my goodness. It's an acute angle. I want to start writing. Any angle in here is an acute angle. Oh my goodness. My handwriting, I love it.
It's perfect.
It's border. It's a doctor's handwriting. It's acute. Any angle in here, it can be an angle from here to there, or an angle from here to there, or an angle from here to there. But if it's bigger than 90 degrees like this, anything that's in this side, like this, and you are measuring it from here to here, then it is a what?
Let's see.
What is it?
So is it a reflection angle or?
It's an obtuse. It's bigger than 90 degrees, but it's smaller than 180 degrees. My screen seems to have frozen. Yeah, but anything that's here, it's obtuse. Obtuse. Let's make a burger. Right? This and here is an option. Yes. Yeah. It's bigger than where this line that comes with the box is. My goodness, how do you... Right. So now any angle, let's move to the next angle. You gave me how many angles? You gave me acute, obtuse, right angle. Let's move on to the next one. What is the next one? The straight angle. Is it the last? No, there's 6 of them. The straight angle, how big is the straight angle?
360.
No.
Degrees.
No. That's 180.
180.
Yeah, it's 180 degrees. They call it a straight angle or a straight line. It's the same thing.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
How big it is.
So ka time
Mara, it's in your scope. You're going to write with it, Miss.
Yes, sir.
So you have to remember it. My goodness. This thing does not want. Yeah, no, it's a bit slow, and we have like 3 minutes to go. We probably might not finish, but let's see how far we can go with this. I want to show you. Overflow? Huh?
Where's the overflow meeting?
We can't have overflow meetings every day. Every day. But basically, here it is. It's just a straight line like this. Ne?
Yes, sir.
It is a
wow. What? Mm.
My goodness.
I say, kaya ka the handwriting your house, eh?
My handwriting, man, I was nearly a doctor. Yeah. So this angle, straight line, you have, it's called a straight angle, and it is 180 degrees, right? So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one is called a reflex
Reflection angle.
angle. How big is the reflex angle? It's bigger than 180 degrees. It's bigger than. Are you writing these things down?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
It's bigger than 180 degrees, but smaller than 360 degrees.
Mm.
Right? So it will be, I'll show you where it will be. We have 1 minute left, my goodness. Let me see. So isn't it the straight line is 180 degrees? So the reflex angle will be any angle somewhere here. Somewhere here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Somewhere here. But you are measuring it from the outside. You're not measuring it from the inside. So you have to
The
be
insert.
you have to be measuring it from here.
Mm.
Come on. Ne? Not come on. Not come on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's do this. Let's do this. Let us do this. Okay. You are measuring this angle from here